Okay, this is my junk journal for the December daily swap on Junk Journal Junkies. I think I got tongue-tied and repeated myself. I've got the color combo from an image on Pinterest. And this is actually my take 2 on this too, so hopefully this one takes. I got a tag that comes up to here. And 25. No, it's 15 for the year 15. And paper clip of a house I got from Leah on a swap that we did in Junk Journal Junkies. Snowflake, button garland, just some candies. So let's go inside. It's pretty chunky. I've got to come up with a closure. Either I'll use bulldog clips or just a ribbon around it. So let's go inside. I'm going to open up the pocket on the end, which has a pocket in the front, and I put a cardstock in through it to give it strength. Instead of gluing it down, I left it so that there's a divider. Or the person that gets it can glue it down and just have a pocket. And then there's a calendar with a pocket. And of course the other end of the clip. And then a banner. And a playing card. Pocket. And here's a pocket. The gift list. And it opens up. And the stickers, I'm going to have to glue them down because they're coming off. A tag. And there's either banners or tags all the way through, and I left them blank for extra drilling spots or whatever. Journaling paper, tag and buttons. And these are little post-it notes. I just thought it went well with the image. They're post-it notes. You fold them up. One-handed. Let's see if I can. There we go. So that one has a tag. Put some fibers. A lot of these fibers come from Leah. And I think Leah and Jenny. The tag. There's a pocket behind this image with a file folder. It just has drawing spots and a Jingle Bell songs. A lot of these, well, actually, all these images I got off of Pinterest. Tag. When I went to the stores around here where I live, they didn't have any Christmas stuff out. And of course they do now when I went the other day. But I didn't have this book over half done. So all this stuff I got out of my stash and used what I thought looked Christmassy. And it's got lots of Christmas images. But I think it looks bright and cheery. This has got lots of talk spots. Has them behind here, here, even behind the ribbon, up here. This flips out. It's envelope. Tuck spots here, journaling cards. Yeah, I actually put paper behind this one that you can journal on. They're a deck of playing cards. I think I got at the dollar store. These are just tags to and from, but you can journal on them. This is a card. It actually says something else, and I covered it up. I had a pretty little Christmas card on it with the color theme. So there's that one. 7. I didn't put any paper on that one. And tag. Christmas bells. The bell rings for all who truly believe. May the magic of Christmas remain in the heart and the sound of the bell in your ears. Sorry, I had to bring it up so I could see it. So there's a pocket. This is an envelope. Coin envelope, I believe. And I brought the for a flap. Yeah, I made that one into a, there's a tuck spot here. Oh, here's a tag that's supposed to go in it. It fell out. There's a banner. There's a picture. I made a pocket behind it. There's an envelope in it. Flip out. It's got a pocket. I put some bling in there. See, looks like little snowflakes, some glitter, buttons. That flips up. And an envelope, there's nothing in it. And tuck spot behind here. And this is, I debated whether to put it in the center or the back, but all it is just cardstock. And I decided to put it in the center. But it's for you to put extra pictures or extra journaling or whatever one wants to do, or the receiver wants to do with it. If you're like me, you take lots of pictures. I thought it was cute. Yeah, the lace come from Jenny. Oh. File folder come from Jenny. 19 banner. This has a pocket behind it too. It's actually a really nice thing if you could read it. If you can't, I'm sorry, but it's pretty all the same. You can journal on the back of it. But pretty tea kettle, huh? Sorry. I thought that was cute. Little girl baking, and then some cards. I put another one of Leah's house cute paper clips there, and it has, I put tabs on them, but it has 4 recipe cards there. And then there's 23. Little pocket, put ribbon on it. You can kind of see the playing card behind it, so you can journal on it. This is 24. There's a tag here, glassine bag. Got that from Leah. And then deer. Journal on the back. It was the night before Christmas. Gosh, I can remember when I was in 3rd grade, we had to memorize this. I thought I would include that. And you could journal on the back of it. And I thought this was cute. Got it off Pinterest. But it's the story of the first Christmas stocking. Made a little book out of it. That was cute, and it has a tag. Tag. Come on. I'm trying. There we go. That's pretty. What's the next page? Let's move this. Right there. One-handed. Then it folds out. It's just a journaling spot. Oh, I'll try. And then this is December 25th. It's got tags with Believe. Some journaling cards with the Christmas tree, Santa, packaging. I got a little creative with the bells. And then I did put something on the tag on this one. And then tracing paper that you can write on it. And another big Christmas tree and 25 on that. And some drawing paper. And then after that, there's extra few pages, which I didn't number or anything. So you can either add rest of Christmas stuff or go through the rest of the month. I don't think there's enough days because I doubled the 24th and the 25th. But I don't think you'll come up maybe 1 or 2 days short. I don't know. That's a tuck spot. But then you can also use this. Because here's another pocket. And I put another file folder with journaling on it. And I made a tag. I thought that turned out pretty. And the tickets here come from Leah or Jenny. Envelope. The last page, I just kind of left. This gets so chunky. And then here's the back of it. I covered the clasp, but it's staying pretty well closed. And of course, it's got the, like I said, the cardstock that I put through. You can either glue it down if she wants, just to have a pocket, or she can have a divider. And that's the bag. And you can see the little remains of a ribbon. I'm not going to try to hide it or cover that little piece up because I don't want to make it worse. But what I did have was a ribbon to close the book, but what I thought had made it long enough and even made it extra long enough, I didn't. And on top of that, it wouldn't stay around this because it was too smooth. So, live and learn, I guess. Try and error. So, that's why I have to come up with another closure, and that's why you see a little bit of red. But I absolutely love it how it turned out. So I hope whoever gets it will like it too. But that is my December jelly. Thanks for watching.